today's video, I'll show you how to export data from monday.com so you can back it up or use it for further analysis. First, log into your monday.com account and open the board you want to export. Once inside, you can either select specific items using the checkboxes or leave it as is to export everything. Now, click the three dots menu in the top right corner of your board. From the drop down, choose More Actions, then select Export to Excel. A window will appear where you can customize your export, choose whether you want the full board or only selected items. Once you are happy with your selection, click Export. Your file will be downloaded as an Excel document straight to your device. You can now store it, analyze it further, or share it with your team. And that's it, you've successfully exported your monday.com data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.